What's up, Cranks? Punta tayo ng Triumph BGC today. Let's go. Andito tayo, pakita natin yung second floor ng Triumph na BGC. As you can see, it's like motorcycle haven here. And then yung T120 Bonneville. Kita nyo naman tong Street Triple, oh. Diba? Si Bumblebee. Pero guys, ang pinunta natin dito, kaso lang medyo bad news. Medyo hindi ata natin magagamit today. Nagamit siya sa, kung titignan nyo, FJ Moto Enduro. Ito ang ating dream bike. Ito ang tinatawag na power of manifestation, di ba? Tingnan lang natin siya. Scrambler 400X. Diba? Meron na tayong pang casual coffee ride. Kahit umuulan. And sayang lang din natin matetest. Pero, tingnan natin kung ano yung matatest natin sa baba. Maya-maya mag-register na tayo. What's going on, Cranks? Ito ang test ride natin ngayon. Daytona 660. First time natin mag-sport bike, guys. Mag-feel natin yung nakatungo. Yung nakatuwad pala. Hindi available yung Scrambler 400X, which is yun yung parang ina-eye natin. But, honestly, I mean, looking at this, kung may budget tayo, bakit hindi? 90 horsepower ata ito kasi yung ating 450 NK nasa 46 ata, so doble ng power ng currently ng dinadride natin. And as you can see, very basic, hindi pa siya TFT display. And at the same time, yun, nakatuwad tayo. Yeah, ang ganda no? Itong red, ang ganda din eh. Maganda ngayon is parang at least umaraw-araw na. Although medyo parang may rain clouds. Ikot natin to. Nakikita niyo yung dito yung angkasan. Medyo okay naman siya. Ang ganda yung ganyang pag magkakaroon ka ng OBR. Looking at it, yan yung mga fairings. Grabe, sport bike na sport bike. Diba? Actually, yung pogi no? Titignan nyo. Ano mo, 550,000 tayo to dispense? Bakit hindi? Diba? Bakit hindi? I'm not sure kung naririnig nyo. Exhaust natin is very smooth. Okay to. First time natin mag-sport bike, guys. So far, actually, hindi nagkakalayo yung riding position natin sa 450 NK dito sa Daytona na 660. Very light. Medyo nakatungo nga lang. So, ang laging tip na sinasabi nila is parang one fist ata dito. So kung parang huwag nyo ididikit yung balls nyo. Sunod tayo kay coach. Would we buy this like 550,000? It's actually guys, I'm not sure. I think first time natin mag medyo sport bike. I think masaya siya. Habol tayo. Yan lang, mahirap lang turning radius talaga pag sa sport bike, pero dahil medyo magaan naman, actually magaan siya. Tsaka naririnig niyo yung sipol pag napalitan ng exhaust to, solid to. Oh no, I think medyo nagkamali ata ako. Mukhang gusto ko ng sport bike. Sa'yo naman ito, para kaming nagra-ride. Compress natin yung front brake. Sarap. Yan, medyo nasasanay na tayo sa sport bike, guys. Medyo nagko-comfortable na ako dito sa parang nakatuwad na position. This is a good bike. 550,000 nga lang. Tingnan natin kung kaya natin to. Actually guys, it's either kasi Scrambler 400X yung pinagpipilian natin or ito eh. So hindi ko lang alam kung ngayon nakatikim tayo ng nakatikim tayo ng sport bike na position. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong riding mode tayo ngayon, actually. Hindi ko pa alam, hindi ko na figure out yung mga riding modes. But this is actually a fun bike. Woo. So going around dito sa BGC with a moist road is not bad actually. Would we use it for daily? I don't know if you can use this for daily. But actually, I'll take it back. I think we can use this for daily. Pero pogi eh. Okay, mabilis siya, madali siyang in-neutral, guys. Diba? Ating side stand. Dito na 660. Thank you very much. This is our first sport bike and our first sport bike experience. And not bad. Nag-enjoy ako dun. Sport bike na tayo. Ooh! Hindi na tayo mag-scrambler. Palit lang tayo ng tail tidy. Diba? Tail tidy lang to. Pwede yata umangkas. Pwede siyang kasan eh. Diba? Woo! Thank you guys. Going on guys. Ride out na tayo. At testing natin yung Daytona 660. Yun guys. That was a good experience for us. Especially kung gusto natin mag sport bike sa future. Anyway, hope you guys like this video. Medyo paulan na, so ride out na tayo. And till next video guys, make sure to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and on our Facebook. Thanks you guys.